Ralstin with Nebraska City Tourism and Commerce. I am part of the promotions and tourism team. I am here today at Cliff's Classic Autos to give them a fanfare rating on a fire truck that Cliff has been restoring. That's right, Sparky Ralstin. I'm changing the oil on a fire truck.
Okay.
Fire truck, we were basically commissioned to strip it down and repaint it and make it yellow. It originally came from Valley, Nebraska, and then was down at Stella, and now it's over in Missouri. I am Cliff Cooper with Cliff's Classics. This is my techs, Tanisha, Dan, Mike, Doug, and Ray.
I give this vehicle a 5-rose fanfare rating. My reason being, after discussing it with the other girls in the office, it's bright yellow, it's going to be noticed, it's flashy, there's attention to detail. We deem it ready for the Applejack Parade. Okay.
Yeah, you don't drive over your hair.
Yeah, oh dear.